Alright guys, just a quick gear review here on edge protection product we've been using for a few months now. It's made by Ropesafe. It's called the edge protection system because it does have a bunch of functionality too that we've really seemed to like in the last couple months. So just on the outside of it, it looks just like a normal canvas burrito style wrap, which it is. It's actually a little bit thicker than most ones we've used, which we like a lot. We've had it on some questionable edges, and the outside ballistic nylon has been awesome, and then the interior canvas has been great as well. In between both those two layers, there's actually another layer which is a bright red, I believe, bright red or orange, and it's an indicator, wear indicator, so it actually wears through the canvas here and the ballistic nylon, so it lets you know that it's been worn through. We've had some that are black on black, and the problem is it wears through almost all the way. You don't even know it until it's almost all the way through. So a great safety feature of it. The inside here you can see it has interwoven webbing going down to both sides. I can take this and I can multi-use it as an anchor strap, just going around the side of anything really, as an anchor strap just for webbing. So that's cool. And the other thing that's really cool about these handles is once it's secured, guys going over the edge, especially if they're not sure about themselves, especially students it seems, can really grab this and they can hold themselves as they go over the side to give themselves a little more stability instead of just swinging out and kind of free falling down. So it gives you a little better edge transition as well. And then the other nice thing about this guy is it's also rated. It's rated for, I believe it's 600 and something degrees Fahrenheit. That it's the ballistic nylon is rated for to take for heat. So we've actually used this with a couple jobs where we've lowered down guys doing welding for hot work, and we brought this down to secure and to protect the ropes as he's going down as well. So great product. Owner's a veteran-owned company, and it's made in the USA. Check it out at elevatedsafety.com. Check it out at ropesafe.com.